Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Restore Dialogs, I'm going to show you a function within Eclipse that automatically retrieves lost dialog windows from off-screen. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now, let's take a look. I'm inside Eclipse, and for this demonstration, I'm just going to open up any document. For this example, I'm going to use the global window. So what I'm going to do is open my global window, and I'm going to drag it to a particular location on my screen, and I'm going to anchor it there. And we are going to pretend that that window has been anchored on an alternate monitor or somewhere else off screen. If I were to open my global window, and I don't actually see it, I can use the restore function in order to re-access that dialog window. And the way I can do that is by going to User Settings, Advanced, and clicking Restore Dialogs. When I click Restore Dialogs, all that's going to do is make sure that any dialog window I open will open on my primary screen. So now when I open up my global window, it opens in the default location instead of the location that I anchored it to. So again, I can move this window, anchor it anywhere that I'd like. And when I reopen my global window, it opens there automatically. But if I go to User Settings, Advanced, and click Restore Dialogs, the next time I open my global window, it will open in the default location. And you notice that my zoom setting was not reset. Only the dialog window's location will be reset when using this option. So if you've lost an Eclipse dialog off screen, you can go to User Settings, Advanced, Restore Dialogs in order to retrieve it. The only downside to using this functionality is that you may have to re-anchor dialogs where you wish for them to appear. However, you'll immediately have access to everything that you need. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day!